Here's my white Siberian puppies, and it's 5 girls and they're 4 weeks old. And they're all different colored noses, but they're all tired. And they really don't think they like doing pictures. It makes them too sleepy. They want to go to sleep, huh? Do you want to go to sleep? Too tired to do this, huh? Too tired?